Okay, so we are continuing with our section number 4 about the spirit bear, and we're down to question number 36. And what I'm doing is we're going through it, and I am pointing out to you how the relationship between the language before the blank line and synonyms, and connecting the answer to this, connecting the answer to the synonyms for the language before the blank line. That's what they're doing over and over and over again. Okay? So as we're going through it, I'm going to keep pointing out the answers to you and pointing out to you also the synonym language so you can understand what exactly you need to listen for in order to be able to get the right answer choices.
Effort to preserve the delicate balance of their forest environment. In other words, their ecosystem. The greatest threat to the bear's existence is the loss of its habitat. Over many years, logging companies have stripped the land by cutting down a large number of trees. In addition, they have built roads which have fractured the areas where the bear usually feeds, and many hibernation sites have also been lost.
All right, there we have it. They said they built roads. Built is a synonym for construction. Construction of roads. Built roads. There's the synonym match. They keep doing it over and over and over again. It's not complicated, everybody. That's what they keep doing. Built roads. Right? Synonym for construction of roads. What am I doing? You can't spell today, Keino? Oh. Construction of roads. Right, built roads, construction of roads. That's our synonym match.
Usually feeds, and many hibernation sites have also been lost. The logging of the trees along the streams has damaged the places where the bears fish. To make matters worse, the number of salmon in those streams is declining because there is no legal limit on fishing at the moment. All these influences have a negative impact on the spirit bear's very existence, which is made all the more fragile by the fact that reproduction among these bears.
All right, no legal limit on fishing. No legal limit. All right, so 37 is fishing. Why? They said no legal limit on fishing. Right, that's the same thing as saying unrestricted fishing. Right, that's the synonym match. They said, so when they said no legal limit on fishing, if you know that no legal limit is synonym for the word unrestricted in the question, then you'll know the answer choice is fishing.
At the moment, all these influences have a negative impact on the spirit bear's very existence, which is made all the more fragile by the fact that reproduction among these bears has always been disappointingly low. And so, what's the situation going forward? Community organizations, environmental groups.
All right, so the answer for number 38, reproduction. And they said reproduction has been low. Right, so what did they do here? For this one, they changed the word order. Right, when they were speaking, they said reproduction has been low. In the question, it says low rate of reproduction. Right, you see they changed the word order. They moved around where they have the word reproduction. Same traps, same thing, same thing. Over and over and over again. Same traps, same traps. Synonyms, change word order. Synonyms, change word order. Okay? Is that because it's an English test. And those are two great ways to test your English. Change up the word order, or use synonym language, or do both.
And so, what's the situation going forward? Community organizations, environmental groups, and the British Columbia government are now working together on the problem. The government is now requiring logging companies to adopt a better logging method, which is a positive step. However, these measures alone may not be sufficient to ensure a healthy population of the spirit bear in the future. Other steps also need to be taken. While it is important to maintain the spirit bear's habitat, there also needs to be more emphasis on its expansion. The move is justified as it will also create space for other bears that are losing their homes to damage.
Right? Adopt a better logging method. Improve the logging method. The words better and improve. They have to make it better. They have to improve. They have to make better what? Logging. They have to improve logging. So the correct answer here is method. Right? They have to improve the better logging method. Improve the logging method. So the correct answer is method. METHOD.
However, these measures alone may not be sufficient to ensure a healthy population of the spirit bear in the future. Other steps also need to be taken. While it is important to maintain the spirit bear's habitat, there also needs to be more emphasis on its expansion. The move is justified as it will also create space for other bears that are losing.
Right? So after they talked about maintaining his habitat, they said also we need to talk about expansion. So for number 40, our answer is expansion. Right? So, a lot of you may have heard the correct answer choices, but did you spell the words correctly? Right? That's what it comes down to. Did you spell the words correctly? Because your spelling has to get better. Right? If you're going to do a better job, your spelling has to get better. Okay? And I'm going to include a document for you that has a lot of these spelling words that are used so that you can be able to do much better. All right? So I will talk to you soon, and I look forward to helping you out and helping you get that great score that you want. Okay? Talk to you soon.